Ever dreamed of indulging in the epitome of luxury amidst the fashionable streets of Milan? Join us on a journey as we uncover the secrets to an extraordinary luxury escape in this vibrant Italian metropolis. But what makes Milan the ultimate destination for discerning travelers, you ask? Prepare to be enchanted as we delve into the city's most opulent experiences, from arrival in style to extravagant accommodations and fine dining delights. So, buckle up, and let's embark on a lavish adventure through the streets of Milan. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more exclusive travel tips and destinations. Picture this. You touch down at Milan Malpensa Airport, and instead of joining the throngs of travelers scrambling for taxis, you're whisked away in a chauffeur-driven Rolls-Royce Phantom, your chariot of luxury awaiting your arrival. As you glide through the city streets in unparalleled comfort and style, you can't help but feel like royalty, with the iconic sights of Milan unfolding before you like a grand welcome. As you recline in the plush leather seats, surrounded by the whisper-quiet ambiance of the Phantom's interior, you're enveloped in a sense of tranquility and opulence. The smooth purr of the engine and the gentle hum of the tires against the pavement create a symphony of luxury, setting the tone for an unforgettable journey through the fashion capital of the world. With every passing moment, you're reminded that in Milan, even the transportation is an experience to be savored. When it comes to accommodations fit for a king or queen, Milan spares no expense in pampering its guests with the utmost luxury. Imagine checking into the iconic Hotel Principe di Savoia, where sumptuous suites adorned with silk draperies and marble bathrooms await your arrival. Or perhaps you prefer the intimate charm of a private villa at the Bulgari Hotel Milano, where personalized service and exquisite design create a haven of tranquility amidst the bustling city streets. With nightly rates starting at a mere $1,000 and soaring to dizzying heights of $10,000 or more for the most opulent suites, these hotels offer an unparalleled level of luxury that's sure to leave a lasting impression. Indulge in the ultimate Milanese experience as you savor gourmet cuisine crafted by world-renowned chefs. Relax with bespoke spa treatments and take in panoramic views of the city from your private terrace. Whether you're here for business or pleasure, these luxurious accommodations set the stage for an unforgettable stay in the heart of Milan. So go ahead, treat yourself like royalty, and immerse yourself in the lavish lifestyle of Italy's fashion capital. No Milan getaway would be complete without immersing yourself in its culinary universe, where top-tier restaurants and renowned chefs showcase their culinary prowess. Dive into the culinary heritage at Da Vittorio, a multi-generational gem serving innovative Italian fare. Or savor the avant-garde creations of Enrico Bartolini at Mudec, where every dish is a masterpiece. While these experiences come at a premium, the sensory journey they offer is truly priceless. Indulge in the artistry of Milan's culinary scene, where innovation and tradition converge to create unforgettable dining experiences. From the warmth of family recipes to the bold experimentation of modern cuisine, each restaurant tells a unique story of Italian gastronomy. So treat yourself to a culinary adventure and discover why Milan is a destination for food lovers around the world. As you embark on your culinary adventure, don't miss out on the vibrant food markets scattered throughout Milan, where local producers showcase the freshest ingredients and regional specialties. Engage your senses as you sample artisanal cheeses, freshly baked bread, and fragrant herbs, immersing yourself in the rich tapestry of Italian flavors. Beyond the glitz and glamour of its luxury hotels and fine dining establishments, Milan holds a treasure trove of hidden gems waiting to be discovered by the intrepid traveler. Lose yourself in the labyrinthine streets of the Brera district, where centuries-old cobblestone alleyways lead to charming boutiques, art galleries, and hidden cafes tucked away in secluded courtyards. Or wander through the historic Navigli neighborhood, where tree-lined canals and quaint bridges provide the perfect backdrop for strolls and romantic sunset cruises. With each twist and turn, Milan reveals a new facet of its timeless beauty and captivating charm. Step off the beaten path and uncover the vibrant culture and rich history that lie beneath Milan's surface. Explore the eclectic neighborhoods of Porta Ticinese and Isola, where street art and innovative design blend seamlessly with centuries-old architecture. Delve into the city's diverse cultural scene with visits to museums like the Pinacoteca di Brera and the Fondazione Prada, which showcase Milan's artistic legacy from the Renaissance to the present day. Whether you're a history buff, an art aficionado, or simply a curious traveler, Milan's hidden gems promise endless opportunities for discovery and delight. As the fashion capital of the world, Milan offers a wealth of opportunities to indulge your sartorial senses and immerse yourself in the city's rich cultural heritage. Explore the boutiques of the Quadrilatero della Moda, where the world's top designers showcase their latest creations in lavish showrooms and flagship stores. Or delve into the city's artistic legacy at the Pinacoteca di Brera, home to one of Italy's most important collections of Renaissance art, including masterpieces by Caravaggio, Raphael, and Titian. Whether you're browsing the latest trends on Via Monte Napoleone or marveling at the masterpieces of the Brera Gallery, Milan's fashion and culture are sure to leave a lasting impression. Experience the intersection of fashion and art as you wander through Milan's streets, where every corner is adorned with architectural wonders and stylish boutiques. Take a stroll along Corso Como, a trendy district known for its chic boutiques, art galleries, and vibrant nightlife. Indulge in a spot of people-watching at the historic Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, where fashionistas and culture enthusiasts converge under the magnificent glass dome. Whether you're a dedicated follower of fashion or a casual observer, Milan's dynamic blend of style and culture offers something for everyone to enjoy. After a day of sightseeing and shopping, why not treat yourself to a luxurious spa retreat to unwind and rejuvenate your body and mind? Milan boasts an array of world-class spas and wellness centers, where you can indulge in a range of pampering treatments, from massages and facials to hydrotherapy and aromatherapy. Imagine sinking into a blissful state of relaxation as skilled therapists work their magic with fragrant oils and soothing music fills the air. It's the perfect way to recharge your batteries and prepare for another day of luxury and indulgence in the city. After your spa experience, take a stroll through Milan's charming streets, adorned with elegant architecture and designer boutiques. Let the tranquility of the city envelop you as you sip on a refreshing aperitif at a cozy cafe, watching the world go by. With each moment of serenity, you'll find yourself falling deeper in love with Milan's irresistible blend of culture, sophistication, and relaxation. Thank you for joining us on this whirlwind tour of Milan's most luxurious escapes and indulgent experiences. If you found this guide to be inspiring and informative, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more exclusive travel tips and destinations. Until next time, may your travels be filled with luxury, adventure, and unforgettable memories.